Our assembly begins with the Rivian skateboard platform, the integrated chassis that houses the battery and drive units.
Next, we install the four-corner independent air suspension, the foundation for both comfort and off-road capability. The wheels attach. At the core, the high-voltage battery pack activates, delivering instant torque to all four wheels. Structural cross members lock onto each end, creating critical crumple zones and reinforcing the frame for utility. The vehicle's skeletal frame, the body in white, is precisely lowered and secured to the battery chassis below. Here are the quad motors, one at each wheel. Watch energy flow, spinning the rotors for immediate acceleration. The exterior aluminum skin is applied, forming the R1T's iconic and aerodynamic shape from lightweight panels. Its signature lighting, the full-width front light bar and vertical tail lights provide a distinctive visual identity. The hydraulic roll control system cross-links the suspension using fluid pressure to actively minimize body lean. Protection is key. A full, high-strength steel cage surrounds the battery pack to shield it from impacts. Braking is primarily regenerative. The motors reverse to slow the truck, recapturing energy back to the battery. The Driver Plus sensor suite, cameras, radar, and ultrasonics, creates a 360-degree awareness field for assistance. Quad motor torque vectoring. Each wheel's speed and direction are controlled independently for agility. The adaptive air suspension can raise for off-road clearance or lower for highway efficiency on command. Inside each damper, a continuously adjusting valve manages fluid flow for a smooth yet controlled ride. A look inside the battery pack. 3 critical layers: the casing, the energy cells, and the cooling matrix. Liquid coolant circulates through this matrix, managing cell temperature for optimal performance and longevity. The powered tonneau cover slides shut at a touch, automatically sealing and securing the cargo bed. The tailgate features an integrated bed extension, unfolding seamlessly to add over 2 feet of length. This is steer-by-wire. The steering wheel sends electronic signals, allowing for precise tuning and response. Bidirectional charging means the R1T can power your campsite, tools, or act as a home backup source. For off-road protection, a full-length reinforced underbody shield bolts to the chassis as armor. Power distribution. The electrical distribution unit routes high-voltage current to each motor's inverter. An integrated heat pump efficiently warms the cabin and battery in winter and cools them in summer. A high-speed digital network acts as the nervous system, processing data and coordinating all vehicle functions. The result? Instant electric acceleration, followed by strong regenerative braking that recaptures energy. Now deconstructing. First, the gear tunnel accessories were tracked and the hatch seals shut. The exterior body panels detach, revealing the modular skeleton beneath the vehicle's skin. The upper body separates from the skateboard platform, highlighting the flexible electric vehicle architecture. The front and rear structural safety members are removed. Their sole purpose is energy absorption. The wheels are removed. The heavy battery pack remains low, giving the truck its stable center of gravity. The suspension assemblies detach. These are complete, self-contained corner modules for easy service. Now, rebuilding at speed. Watch the core structure integrate: chassis, suspension, frame, and body. Key features activate in sequence: lighting, storage, adjustable suspension, all systems coming online. A full system demonstration. Suspension rises, motors prime, lights activate, ready for any adventure. The completed Rivian R1T, a design where every line serves aerodynamics, utility, or off-road approach. The performance? 835 horsepower, 0 to 60 in 3 seconds, over 400 miles of range, 11,000 pounds towing. It's identified by its unique light signature, a new signal for a new kind of electric truck.
Reimagined from the ground up, not merely an electric truck, but one engineered for discovery.
The Rivian R1T. Adventure required.